Hi, and welcome to This Is My Architecture. I'm Dave, joined by Greg from Heroku. Greg, what does Heroku do?
We're a fully managed platform on top of AWS.
And you get the DevOps for free, right?
Exactly.
Awesome. And you guys have like a managed Kafka service. How are customers using this?
All kinds of ways, but I just worked with a customer that actually built out a really interesting IoT architecture.
Ooh, tell us some more.
So say we've got a light bulb here to represent our connected house. And then we have an application here, probably written in Node. Light bulbs are talking to the application, and all that application is doing is ingesting that stream and shoving it into Kafka. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build out a mobile application backend. This might be in PHP, and it's basically an API layer for a fully native mobile application.
Okay.
Running on dynos, which are Heroku's fully managed Linux containers.
Okay.
And it's going to go ahead and ingest data from that stream, and it's going to put data back into that stream. So if I have that mobile application, I can turn on a light, API call will be made, it'll be sent to the Kafka bus, Node application will pick it up and send it to the correct line.
Okay.
So say this light is at 90% of its lifespan and it needs to be replaced.
Okay.
Rather than having the customer go through the experience of watching the light go out and have to go to the store and do all of that, what they can do is they can actually hang another service off of here. And this service will do predictive analytics. So it'll watch the stream for events that are interesting.
Yep.
And if there is an interesting event, it will do some predictive work on that. It'll figure out what the next step is, and it will use Heroku Connect to go ahead and open a case in Salesforce.
So Salesforce will send a tech out, if I can't reboot the light bulb, right?
Yeah, we'll fire a workflow off, and it will take the correct action. Maybe it'll reboot the light or send you a new light if you need, or have a human interact with that.
Okay, cool. Anything else hanging off of this bus? We're doing all kinds of cool stuff already.
Sure. One of the things that all businesses thrive on is analytics. So they decided to build out an analytics engine. And what they did is they went ahead and wrote a Java application to pull in interesting information, do roll-ups, store it in a Postgres database, and then hook that into Tableau.
Okay, so Tableau for great visualizations, Postgres database. What happens at the end of the pipe? Like, where does the data go?
So at the end of the pipe, we're going to store everything for long-term storage, for a couple of years at least. So what they're going to do is they're going to take that data, they're going to have another application here, and it's going to chunk that data and put it into S3 for cold storage, and put it into Redshift for a data warehouse.
Awesome. So now you've got the ability to put that data in kind of bite-sized chunks for S3 and really hit the sweet spot, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Awesome. Well, this is a really cool architecture. Thanks for coming out, Greg.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching This Is My Architecture.